Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we continue with law of logarithm and we are going to see another powerful law, that is product rule. The product rule says if we have given log base b of x multiplied by y, this is equal to log base b of x plus log base b of y. We are going to see with the help of these examples here so as we can get a clear understanding. Let's see example number 1. We are supposed to find log base 3 of 9 multiplied by 81. This is a product rule. See, we have 9 multiplied by 81. We can use our product rule formula to simplify this. Let's do the solution for this. We know if we have given log base b of x multiplied by y, this is equal to log base b of x plus log base b of y. From the given question, this is going to be log base 3 of 9 multiplied by 81. Using product rule, this is going to be log base 3 of 9 plus log base 3 of 81. Let us put 9 and 81 into power form. That is going to be log base 3, 9 is the same as 3 power 2 plus log base 3, 81 is the same as 3 power 4. By power law, we know we can bring the power in front of log and multiply. And we can bring 4 in front of log and multiply. That is going to be 2 log base 3 of 3 plus 4 log base 3 of 3. But log base 3 of 3, this is equal to 1. This will become 2 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 1. This will give us 2 plus 4, which is going to give us 6. Let us do question number 2. It says log base 5 of 25 multiplied by 625. Solution. We know this fall under product rule, which state that log base b x multiplied by y, this is equal to log base b of x plus log base b of y. Let's apply it to our question. It is going to be log base 5 of 25 multiplied by 625. This is equal to log base 5 of 25 plus log base 5 of 625. Let's put 25 and 625 into power form. That is equal to log base 5, 25 is 5 power 2, plus log base 5, 625 is the same as 5 power 4. According to power rule, we can bring the power in front of log and multiply. We can bring the power in front of log and multiply. That is going to be 2 log base 5 of 5 plus 4 log base 5 of 5. But log base 5 of 5, this is equal to 1. That is going to be 2 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 1 which will give us 2 plus 4, which give an answer of 6. Rule, let me leave with you with the question, work out log base 10 of 10 multiplied by 1000. Please leave your answer to the comment section. For more video about logarithm, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.